Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
I am Bob.
Hello, Bom. Are you happy today?
Happy.
You're happy. How old are you, Bom?
Sunang.
How old are you? I'm
I am 3 years old.
very good. Are you happy today?
Happy.
You're happy. Are you ready for the speaking test? Are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Look at teacher. Look at me. What is this?
ECOB.
Very good.
ECO fox.
Correct.
ECO duck.
Yes.
ECO fish.
Correct.
ECO sheep.
Correct. What is this?
ECO cow.
This is a cow.
ECO duck.
Yes.
ECO rabbit.
Right.
ECO apple tree.
Correct. Okay. Can you look at the picture here? Where is the bee?
Missing to Sunang.
Yes. What about the fish? Where is the fish?
Rather and flying rather.
Uy, very good. How about the duck? Where is the duck?
Duck and half.
Correct. The duck is in the house. Oh, what is she doing?
One. Swim. Fly.
Correct. And
Number.
what is she doing? Hop. She is hopping. What is she doing?
Child.
Hop.
Hop.
Oh, what is this?
Clay.
Who?
Cookie.
Very good. What is this?
Cat.
This is
Cat.
correct.
Carrot.
All right. Give me 5. Bong. You did great today, Bong. Can you say goodbye to me? Goodbye, teacher. You like coloring?